Hello friends, this is me Dr. Naresh Kumar Sharma and you are watching my YouTube channel Jupiter Nexus. So I am welcoming you to all to join my YouTube channel. So this is the first and introductory video about my YouTube channel Jupiter Nexus. So state that self introduction. My name is Dr. Naresh Kumar and I am a veterinary doctor and you are watching my YouTube channel Jupiter Nexus, the platform of wisdom and learning where you find lectures about every niche, every genre. So, our mission is to make learning powerful, accessible, smart, and timeless. So, are you ready to start a cosmic journey of a knowledge from basic to brilliance? Our channel will provide a knowledge about every genre and niche. So the first genre and niche would be English Academy, where you will find the lectures about writing skills, spoken English, public speaking, English grammar, vocab building, and any other English related lectures that build your English to the professional and a native speaker level. Second would be about veterinary academy. So this is my favorite field, and you will find here a pet and vet care, clinical case discussions, and any other practical knowledge or any other interesting facts, and about abroad studies, and all about veterinary related. Next would be about computer science, because in the growing AI world, computer is the basic need for every student. So here you will find a basic applications, their usage, the best productivity tools of AI, and the interesting knowledge and practical learning regarding computer. The other would be professional growth, soft skills, problem solving, critical thinking, communication skills, and productive development, personality development, career, and modern education. Here I will explore every scholarship regarding veterinary, medical sciences, computer sciences, and every genre and every department that I will found that this is necessary for my audience, for my students. So, and the second one, abroad vision. What are the abroad studies? Or how you will continue this, and the other most valuable things. Then the research guidance, or how to conduct a research. What are the most important things to keep in mind when you are continuing a research? Then the basic and the most professional documents building, just like CV, motivation letter, and resume, then the statement of purpose and other things, then the career opportunities. Then our future vision is content based on modern needs. If there is any missing lecture that you need, that you found that this is the most important, you can suggest us, because good suggestions will be appreciated. Those lectures which are very hard to you, that we will try to explain in our better ways, and there is, if there is any suggestion you have for us, then we will most appreciate it. So many more beyond. If you interested, if you like our channel, so please join us and make a connection with us to increase, to enhance the journey of knowledge from basic to brilliance. Learn, grow, explore, and inspire the others to join this channel. So this will be most beneficial for you. Summary of my YouTube channel is, basically this channel provides scholarship platform, abroad vision, pet and vet care, English spoken, computer skills, knowledge hub, English grammar, English vocab, professional growth, communication skills, clinical case discussions about veterinary, as well as the rising topics of medical health in simple manners, not a professional manners that you could learn here and then apply in the practical field. So this will give you a general idea. Then the modern and career education opportunities and content based on modern needs. So staters, thank you so much for your precious time, and hope you enjoyed this channel. You will learn the best opportunities, the best knowledge. Thank you so much.